this video I want to show you how to use and set up Instagram map feature. So here, as you notice that I have received the new Instagram map update, and here if I tap on explore the map, so here I can easily find the new Instagram map. So let me show how to set up and use this new feature. So first you need to simply tap on next, and once you tap on this one, so here you will find some options: friends, close friend, and only these friends, and no one. So these are just some settings for the Instagram new map. So I want to show you how to basically use this feature. So now if you go back to the Instagram DM message, so here you notice it, there's a new map. So once you tap on this one, so here you will find this screen. So it is basically a new feature which allows you to display your live GPS location to your Instagram friends, like Snapchat. Snapchat has already this feature. So finally Instagram is now allowing you to show your live location to your Instagram followings. So let me show how to turn on the live location. So if you want to turn on the live location, you need to simply first tap on device location is off. Now in order to use this feature, you must need to enable the live GPS location from your phone settings. So I want to first allow the permissions to access the GPS location. So here the location is not allowed, so now I want to allow it, and go back to the Instagram. So now I want to once again tap on not sharing location, and here I just want to select here random category like close friends only. So if I tap on share location, so here I can easily see my live GPS location on this Instagram new map. Now if I go back to the Instagram, so also you notice that there is a little profile on the map. It shows basically you are showing the live location on Instagram map. So now your close friend can easily see your live location on Instagram new map. So in this way you can easily set up and use the Instagram new map feature. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.